Welcome to our Aer Packing Cubes review. In this video, I'm gonna show you all the pros and cons about these packing cubes. I'm gonna pack them out so you can see what they fit. And at the end of the video, if you're just not feeling them, don't worry, because I'm gonna give you some alternative recommendations for other packing cubes that I think might better suit your needs. Let's talk about the gist of the Aer Packing Cubes. If you haven't heard of Aer, then what the heck, you living under a rock? They have taken over the carry world by storm. They're like one of the biggest brands out there, and they're known for making very simple, yet functional, and durable urban gear. These packing cubes are right in line with that. We got two options, and what's cool is they're sold separately. You got a 10 liter that can expand to 15 liters, and a 5 liter that can expand to 7.5 liters. In Aer's typical urban mysterious fashion, these are only available in one color option, black. But they're made with high quality materials, including 100D Cordura RipStop nylon on the exterior, YKK zips, good grip on the zip pulls, nice handles on the top, minimalist yet functional. And for all that, Aer charges around 29 USD for the small version and 35 USD for the large version. And if you're thinking to yourself, yes, just yes, I want them, or you want to find out more information, or you're just going to make a purchase, we do ask that you do so using the first link in the description. That link makes sure that you get the best price, and we oftentimes have discount codes, but that link also helps to support the Nomads Nation YouTube channel, which we greatly appreciate. All right, let's see what it can fit. For me, with the way that I travel, I think that two packing cubes, a bigger one and a smaller one, are perfect. More than enough space, while still kind of forcing you to be minimalist and to travel lightweight. So I got 4 shirts, pair of shorts, pair of pants, hoodie, 4 pairs of underwear, socks. Let's see how it does with that. Starting with the big one, let's talk about expansion. Because expansion is not only good for the expansion, it's also good because once you put in your hoodie, your pair of pants, your shorts, and your 4 t-shirts, you can also compress. So let's say you're like, you know what? I really want to bring a towel on this trip. And the towel is definitely not going to fit at 10 liters, so I'm gonna have to open her up, get it to 15. Oh, now we're good. Now we can fit 3 towels. So I'm gonna put a pair of shorts in there, my lounge shorts, right? A towel. And now you can see what we would not have been able to fit at 10 liters fits very, very comfortably at 15 liters. Some airlines have very strict policies about how big the backpack can be. And sometimes backpacks are small, or your suitcase, right? This won't fit. So where the expansion gives you more room, allows you to now make your bag a little less bulky, right? On the negative side, this might make your clothes more wrinkly. It will make your clothes more wrinkly. But it does give you a very nice compact travel experience. So boom, big cube, all my big stuff. And then in the small cube, I'm gonna go ahead and put my 4 pairs of underwear, 4 socks. That's 5 liters. I could put freaking 8 pairs of underwear and 8 pairs of socks in there, no problem. And that's before expanding. You expand it on out, just for having like a standard unit of measurement. I'll go ahead and put a second towel in there, and you can see it fits very well and still compresses. That's what these cubes are all about. Minimalism, durability, and awesome expansion / compression. Let's talk about the pros and the cons of the Aer Packing Cubes. Pro number 1, I love that they are sold separately. Pro number 2, great expansion and compression. And pro number 3, the RipStop nylon has a nice finish to it. It just looks premium, it looks good, it feels good, which is nice at the price point. But on the flip side, let's talk about a few cons. Con number 1 is the cubes are definitely a bit on the expensive side. And con number 2, there's not a lot of color options, only black. But if you've taken the pros and the cons into consideration, you're just like, dude, I'm getting me the Aer Packing Cubes. Thank you, Aaron. You're welcome. All that we ask, just as a reminder, is if you're gonna make a purchase or you wanna find out more information, please use the first link in the description. Thank you. But let's say you're not quite sold. You stuck around because I made a promise. I made a promise that I would show you some alternative packing cubes. I will keep that promise. Here they are. Alternative recommendation number 1 is going to be the Pakt packing cubes. These are for you if you're like, Aer is so dark and black, and I want colorful options that still rock to use as packing cubes. That's what Pakt is bringing to the table. Great packing cubes, lots of color options. Love the translucent material at the top. And to learn more about the Pakt packing cubes, take a look at the link in the description below to find more information. Alternative recommendation number 2 is going to be the Pakt design packing cubes. This is for you if you're like, dude, that expansion and compression was like so freaking awesome. I want to learn more about that in packing cubes. Then take a look at these guys, because these are sort of like the gold standard when it comes to expansion and compression. They got a bunch of other awesome features. And to learn more about the Pakt design packing cubes, take a look at the description below to find more information. And my third alternative suggestion is to watch this video right here, where I break down the 10 best packing cubes that I've ever tested. In that video, you'll learn the pros and the cons of all the best packing cubes on the market, so you can easily find the ones that best suit your needs. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I personally respond to every single one. My name is Aaron. This is Nomads Nation. I'll catch you next time.